What is going on, everybody? It is June 6th. It is Monday here at the shop. We got a lot of work to do. We got our new tube notcher, our Baileigh tube notcher coming in. Lots of manufacturing going on, lots of parts being made. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
What's up?
Steve!
What are you in the back of the truck?
No, I didn't.
Get out of here! Get out of here!
Because he better be bringing that dirt bike.
Oh, man!
I guarantee he's not bringing that dirt bike.
Yeah.
Kurt, introduce yourself. You're TGV Kurt now.
Oh boy.
Guys, this is TGV Kurt.
What's up?
He's gonna be the new guy around here. Welcome to TGV Kurt. So you're saying there is a pod on?
Oh yeah, Kurt put one on this morning. Yeah. Good guy.
Nice. Real funny guy. Coming in today, first thing I see, Claritin D. Meltaways, because Ben knows I can't take pills. Game plan for today?
Do work. Big drill.
What's going on?
Bacon.
Oh, not too much.
Yeah. Morning, folks.
Yeah, good. How's it going?
Hey, how's it going? You going with the Hershey's?
The Herschels. What do you got, Steve?
A box.
How much does that weigh?
About as much as the YZ125.
That's a lie.
Well, I wouldn't know because, you know, the guy that just got one didn't bring it in to, you know, let me compare.
I ended up getting the next step up at Lowe's this weekend.
Well, you know.
Life is good, man. Freaking.
I mean, I need to be able to blow my driveway off. So. That's like saying Burger King's horrible, but McDonald's is amazing. It's like
What are these, single wall?
tailpipe.
You haul one of those around with you for like 45 minutes.
Yeah, you're like, yeah, you sit on a weed whacker.
They got it all figured out. It's too redundant. Wah! This is our life. If you don't like it, I shouldn't say don't watch because we want you to watch. If you don't like it, tell us how no good we
Yeah,
are.
drop in the comments. Tell us how no good we are.
We're a mini bike manufacturer. We manufacture mini bikes. What do you want me to do? One day film manufacturing mini bikes, and the next day we're out shooting golf.
Hey, man, he's gonna cut that out.
A lot of rod ends. Wow.
Well, those are sweet looking ones too. Those look like almost like they're trying to fake you like they're grade 8 or something, or grade
Those
10.
are grade 8, man.
Yeah, I just lined them up and he totally fell for
teed
it.
them right up.
Oh yeah.
Get the name off this box. This freaking CCVI Bearing Industries.
Anybody in the forums that's looking for bearings, CC, blah blah, they're the best.
Yeah, I can only imagine how much stuff fell out of this one.
I just like to see him snap that knife open every time.
You probably put
with
that in on
authority.
the order just for the cheese off.
Awful funny. These look like they'll fit right on his side by side.
Thanks, Steve.
I think my buddy burnt me.
Your buddy burned you. What happened?
He didn't bring his dirt bike.
Ah.
God, again.
What are we getting, Ben?
Oh, I got a new notcher. You don't have your license? Not yet. See that?
That's what we like to hear. You made in this rig.
Oh, I'm just warming it up for Steve.
Say that.
What?
Nothing. Can't say it. Sorry.
You're gonna have to hit me with that. Yeah, I was gonna say, you're gonna have to hit me with that. You're gonna have to cut that out of the video.
Oh, yes. This is an Electric Monkey Mini.
Mini.
It's like the perfect size.
Is that it?
Yeah.
There's nothing else to it?
Nothing else. So what more do you want?
I thought it'd come on a stand.
Depends.
How's it going?
Hey, good. How are you?
Oh, too bad. Oh, I get you. You want to be on?
Oh, okay.
I feel like I'm filming a home movie on Christmas Day.
Come on, man. There's our reducer.
Ooh.
Too.
What do you think, Kurt?
It's pretty sweet.
Pretty sweet.
Pretty
So,
I heard the game's gonna be changed after we get this thing.
game definitely will not be the same after we get this off the pallet. These.
Oh, dude!
So I'm just
Where'd you
over
get that
here.
from?
Baileigh guys sent it.
That's
to me.
exactly what I was talking about. You got 4. Dang!
Oh, you-
Guy goes to the gym one day.
Yeah.
I'd say freaking we could do.
Yep, that's a tube notcher. Ooh, man. Peeling your plastics off.
Kidding me?
Is that the right zip tie?
Oh, that's nice.
scratch the paint, man.
Come on, man.
Glad to see there's a good bit of cord length here.
Not being stingy.
Oh, got good in and out.
Oh, it's not going anywhere.
So yeah, we should be able to just set up our 2 5/16 in that one, and then just measure on this one, get it set right. Ready? Ooh, that's smooth.
Crisp. Looks like you're rotating that thing for a Sunday drive.
Just taking it out for a little test drive. We got this all set up the way we had the old notcher set up, so all the math and measurements will be the same.
Have you ever seen Ben read an instruction manual?
It's more of a safety manual anymore.
I normally don't.
90% safety. Don't plug it in there while you're standing in the bathtub.
Don't take it into the bathtub with you.
I think I've already read this. I read the old one. Yeah, they pretty much just tell you go slow and do your best.
Good luck.
Good luck. After looking at this schematic, that's just a motor with an on-off switch.
Way to fly. I guess you need some power.
Didn't I just say, did you plug this in? He goes, oh yeah. I either said it or thought it.
I didn't hear you say it.
Oh, maybe I was just thinking. Ready? I'm a little nervous.
Yeah, I'm thinking you don't want that wall.
What else am I gonna do? It'll self-correct the first time you get it around the tube. Oh, that's smooth.
I was admiring the chips, man.
Guys, I wanted to say real quick, our giveaway is still going on until June 15th. If you guys want the chance to win a fully custom-built mini trike by TGV, go to our website, tgvshop.com, pick up a piece of merch. Every piece of merch is worth 10 entries for you to have the chance to win your very own mini trike.
So we got this new tube notcher all set up, got the height right where it needs to be, so we're gonna let Sia and Steve take this thing for a test drive.
Smooth. That is smooth, effortless.
That's dialed in, that looks pretty good.
Is that the hot saw you're using, Steve?
Who told you that?
People in the comments were like, oh, you guys should get a cold saw. Ben almost went nuts on them.
Oh, because these saws come with
Yeah.
the saw. Get that angle with this one.
Hey man, it's true.
What do you think, Kurt?
I don't know.
Get him full one. He's spinning perfectly around here.